Welcome to Deepak Money YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about common SQL join interview questions with answers. To more than 90% of the interviews, interviewer is asking this question or this type of questions. I am taking guarantee you if you are watching this video without skipping, then you should able to answer this question and this type of questions in the interview without failing. Here let's try to understand questions. First we are having two tables like table 1 and table 2. In table 1 having some different records or repetitive or null values present in table 1, and in table 2 also having some repetitive or uh, null value is present. So we will showing output into that inner join, left join, right join, full join, cross join. We will discuss all these five types of joins. Firstly we will discuss about that inner join, right? So we will write here inner join. So yeah, so yeah, inner join means returns records that having matching values in both the tables, right? Matching record from the both the table. In first table, that one is coming of that repetitives, right? Or 2 is also repetitive, and in second table 1 is also repetitive and 2 is also repetitive. So we will discuss of that output. So one is came of that left table is we will combine that we will matching of that second table having two time, right? So one is having two time, this one is having also two time, this one is having also two time, that 2 is come into of that three times. So this 2 is also came three time, this 3 is also, sorry, this 2 is also came of three time, right? We will already we will discuss. And this 3 is not matching with that right table of that table 2, so we will skip this. And in SQL this null is not combined with null, so we will also skip this. So now we will count of that each record values. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. So our output is of inner join is 12. So we will insert of that 12 is the output. Now we will discuss of that second join, that is a left join. So yeah, left join we will discuss. Returns all the records from the left table having matching records from the right table. That is the left join concept. In left join we will discuss this this one is repetitive of two time, right? One is repetitive two times, 2 is in the that value. This one is also repetitive two times, this one is also repetitive two times, right? So this 2 is repetitive three time, this three time, right? This three time, this 2 is also repetitive three time, and this 3 all the values came from the left table. This 3 is not matched with any one of that second table, so 3 is in one time. And this null is also not matched with in SQL with anyone, so it came of one time. So we will count of that all the records. So output will be 14. So 14 is the output of that left join. Now we will discuss about the right join output, right? Yeah. So right join means returns all the records from the right table and the matched records from the left table, right? So we will show the output of that right join now. So right join, this one is repetitive of that firstly right join means right table we will consider as in right. So one is time of three times, right? This one is also of 3 time. This 2 is came of 2 time, right? This 2 is came of 2 time, right? This 2 came is also 2 time, right? This 4 is not matched with uh, table 2 of that. 4 is not matched with right left table of that 1, no matching, right? So that time we will put 1, and null is not matched with left table also with time 1. So our output of that count will be 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is that of 14. So our output of that right join will be 14. Now we will discuss about that full join, right? So full join, yeah. Right? So returns all the records where there is a match in either left table or right right table, right? So firstly we will discuss same. This one is repetitive of sorry, this one is repetitive of 2 time, this one is repetitive of 2 time, this one is repetitive of 2 time, uh, this 2 is repetitive of 3 time. So will this 2 is repetitive of 3 time, this 3 is not matched with anywhere, so will came of 1 time. This null is not matched with anywhere, so it's 1 time. This 4 is not matched with left table of that table 1, 1. And this null is not matched with a left table of that, so 1. So our out count of that 2 plus 2 plus 3 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so our output is of 16. So a full join of the output is 16. Now we will discuss about the fifth join, we can say as cross join. So cross join also we can uh, cross join cross join also we can called as Cartesian join. So what is a cross join? So cross join is used to combine each row of one table with having match with each row of the another table, and returns the Cartesian product of the set of rows from the tables that are joined. So means this first table of that first value matched with all the records of second, right? Means 7 7 time. This also matched one record of that first table having matching with all the records from the second table, that is 7. Same of that 7. This also 7. This also 7. This also 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Means 7 time of that means 49 of the output of that cross join. So 49 is the output. Now we will discuss about that second table, right? And same we are showing of that inner join, left join, right join, full join, cross join, right? So yeah, we will discuss of that. So inner join of the output of that column is this first table having a matching record of that right table. So this first value is record of that 3 time, right? So we will discuss 3 here. This one is matched with